And watching on a daily chart, that's what we have. We have one trend line going right here, which means there is more to go, something like 70 points or so. Okay, watching on a 4-hour chart, this is pretty much the beginning of the trend line, but there is one more going right through here. See that? It's pretty much the same zone, and that's where this pair should aim. Now, why I like it, I like it most, because this looked to me kind of like a channel correction. You see, after we are still on a bearish trend as the highs are going lower, right? So generally, this is still a bearish trend on the midterm. But this type of correction, not like this. This was 5-wave move. This one starts to look like a channel type of correction. See that? Therefore, from my point of view, the protection here is smaller. If we get the opportunity to jump in, of course, don't buy here just because it looks really, really good. Wait for the pullback. And I know it's a bit annoying, but that's what we have on the 1-hour chart. Okay, we see this the current push. We could expect drop down to come. Okay, and with a bullish divergence to form on current time frame, this is the 1-hour chart, or lower time frame, this could be a really nice opportunity to jump in, to go for a buy, and aim this area as a take profit. Okay, protection for this situation should be, well, this is a fast move, this is a strong move. When you start the correction, measure the from bottom to top, measure this move, and protection should be, from my point of view, below 61.8 Fibo. It should be more than enough. It also would be below this trend line. Okay, so again, small drop, divergence on 1-hour chart or lower time frame, that could be 15-minute chart. Jump in and aim to take this top of the channel and the trend line around 101.90, 101 or even 2. Okay, from my point of view, this should be a really nice opportunity. Any questions about this one? Alright, then the next pair on the list is